The AcuraWatch suite of driver assist systems offers you unparalleled peace of mind and convenience when you're on the road. Things like forward collision warning, road departure mitigation, adaptive cruise control, and the list goes on. Now, to operate properly, AcuraWatch relies heavily on two things: a camera and a radar unit, both of which are at the front of your car. Here's a quick look at the features that require the camera and/or the radar. We live in Canada, so driving in inclement weather is a distinct possibility for most of us. Things like snow, ice, or mud can build up and block your camera, radar, or both. If that happens, some or all of your AcuraWatch functions will be temporarily shut off, and you'll get a warning that looks like this. Rest assured, there's nothing wrong with your car. It's just warning you that some or all of the AcuraWatch features that you're used to have been shut off. Here's how you get them back on. Find a safe place to pull over, grab a soft cloth, wipe off the camera, and the radar. The camera is pretty much in the same spot for all of our cars, right up here by the rearview mirror, as is the radar, which is up front behind the emblem. Now, in some cases, you'll get that same warning when your camera or radar is actually free of any buildup. This will usually happen when driving when it's snowing very heavily or when there's dense fog. Again, the system is simply telling you that your camera and/or radar simply can't see well enough, and as a safety precaution has disabled some of the AcuraWatch functions. In those cases, once the weather clears, things will return to normal. Like all good Canadians, remember to drive carefully in adverse conditions. In the winter, be sure to clear off your car thoroughly before you start driving. Before we go, just a quick reminder that advanced features like AcuraWatch are there to help you out, but you need to remain in control of your vehicle at all times.